सूर्यदत्ता नेशनल लाइफटाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2025 विज्ञान एवं तकनीकी सेवा में विशिष्ट सेवा के लिए अवकाश शास्त्रज्ञ प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर नरेंद्र जी भंडारी. Dr. Narendra Bhandari has ignited a spirit of discovery and inspired future generations to reach for the stars. This honor celebrates his monumental legacy, his unwavering pursuit of knowledge, and his profound impact on the advancement global scientific excellence. अंतरिक्ष में गुंज उठे हम चंद्रयान का गान लिए, चांद तिरंगे रंग में रंगा, नई एक पहचान लिए. मेरे भारत के वैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर नरेंद्र जी भंडारी, तुम गौरव हो भारत का, ऊंचा माथा लिए खड़े हम, सच्चा एक अभिमान लिए, सच्चा एक अभिमान लिए. जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम उनका सम्मान करेंगे, सत्कार करेंगे सूर्यदत्ता नेशनल लाइफटाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2025 से.
Chandrayaan-1 mission to Moon is the first mission taken up by Indian Space Research Organization to break the barriers of gravity of the Earth and go outside in interplanetary space to our neighbor, the Moon. Doing anything first time is always challenging. Some are technical challenges and some are unforeseen, unexpected challenges which come on your way. Dedication and most importantly teamwork of many ISRO engineers, scientists and planners that led to this success, that it became one of the most successful missions by any space agency. The other area in which we ushered in an area of cooperation and collaboration is that we invited other countries to participate in it. Although it was an indigenous mission with our rocket, with our planning and with our instruments, some countries participated, and for the first time in the history of space research, from an era of competition in space, we brought in an era of collaboration and cooperation. The other area of research which interested me is study the rocks which fall from the sky from time to time, what we call meteorites. They come free on our doorstep from different planets and asteroids of our solar system, and in a short period of about 20 years we could discover 12 of these meteorites, and by their study we could reveal the secrets of the universe and understand how our solar system was formed. I urge you to participate in searching for these rocks which fall from the sky and get the unique cosmic experience of holding a space rock in your palm.
And this year the award goes to Professor Dr. Narendra Bhandari.
Suryadattaa National Lifetime Achievement Award 2025, Dr. Pradhyapak Narendra Ji Bhandari. Please give a big round of applause. और मैं सभी मंच को विनंती करती हूँ कि आप उनका सम्मान कीजिए. सूर्यदत्ता नेशनल लाइफटाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2025 से उनको सम्मानित कीजिए.
हमारा जीत हमारी मंजिल है, सूरज हमारी लक्ष्य हमारा, जीत हमारी जीत का है जुनून. हम चले सूरज की ओर, हम चले
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है.
सूरज की ओर